other hazardous materials in the course of your duties, contact your radiation safety officer immediately. Work safe. Work smart. Your future depends on it. Now arriving at Sector C test labs and control facilities. Please stand back from the automated door and wait for the security officer to verify your identity. Before exiting the train, be sure to check your area for personal belongings. Thank you, and have a very safe and productive day.
Morning, Mr. Freeman. Looks like you're running late. Barney's been pretty scarce around these parts. Guess his bar tab must have finally caught up with him.
Aw, man, you cut the ponytail. Sellout.
Hey, Mr. Freeman. I
Get
had
away
a bunch
from
of
there,
messages
Freeman.
for you, but
I'm expecting
we had a
an
system
important
crash
message.
about, I don't know, 20 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to find my files. Just one of those days, I guess. They were also having some problems down in the test chamber, too, but I think that's all straightened out. They told me to make sure you headed down there as soon as you got into your hazard suit. Gordo, you're on sundial, and we need you on stopwatch. Hop to it.
Agent Diablos. Report to topside hazard course.
Hey, it's happening!
Cut it out!
What the hell is going on up there?
My horoscope was correct.
Did someone pull this fire alarm or something?
Come on, Gordon. What are you trying to do? Get me into trouble?
Murtaugh, come in.
Yeah, I'm here.
What the hell's going on up there?
We had a little accident up here, sorry.
Yeah, well, that better be the last accident you have today. Understood?
Copy. Damn, Gordon.
What are you doing still running around up here?
Time to make tracks, Gordon.
There was a coolant leak earlier, but the thermal protection system seems to be online now. Those TPS reports have gotten progressively worse. Hard to find good help these days. Yes, about that. We're going to need you to come in this weekend. What? I've already made plans. Don't worry. You can always attend the next convention. Drat. And to say nothing of the modern perspective necessary to monitor its influence. I mean, combined with today's technology, I've recreated... I can't stand to hear another word of this malarkey.
Don't mind him. But here's something to think
Morning,
about
champ.
next time. Hello?
Another day, another dollar.
Hope you're in top form this morning, Gordon. Can this wait till I'm off break?
These double shifts are starting to get to me.
Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties? Triple-pleated khakis. Preposterous. And these ludicrous penny loafers. Nobody here has an eye for fashion. Does this lab coat make me look fat? Please excuse me, Gordon. Drat. No toilet paper. Be a dear and fetch me a roll of toilet paper. Hello? Hello? Could somebody get me some toilet paper?
Welcome to the HEV Mark IV. protective system.
Excuse
For
me.
use in hazardous
emergency.
environment conditions. High impact reactive armor
Thank
activated.
heavens.
Atmospheric
Dire need of
contaminant
toilet paper.
sensors activated. Vital sign monitoring activated. Automatic medical systems engaged. Defensive weapon selection system activated. Mission level monitoring activated. Communications interface online.
There was someone downstairs.
We're right on through, sir. Looks like you're in the barrel today.
Hello, Dr. Freeman. Can this wait? Greetings and salutations, Dr. Freeman. Did you catch that last fluctuation? It's nothing to worry about. We should harness the remaining photonic energy to ensure resonance control. Double-check the Brewster's plate's angles and make sure the superluminescent diodes are protected from optical feedback. How curious. The acousto-optic modulators are on the fritz again. I assure you, we've compensated for any contingency. We can talk at lunch, Gordon.
What's up, Doc? It's been a mess down here this morning. Have fun. Whew, I'm bushed. Standing around can take a lot out of you. Think we could all use a little R&R, know what I mean?
Maybe later, Gordon. Weren't you supposed to be in the test chamber half an hour ago? Gordon, I'm in the middle of something here.
Later, Gordon. Just a minute, Gordon.
Hello, old chum.
Ah, Gordon, there you are.
Nice of you to finally join us, Doctor.
We've just sent the sample down to the test chamber.
We've boosted the anti-mass spectrometer to 105%. Bit of a gamble, but we needed the extra resolution.
The administrator is very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis of today's sample. I gather he went to some lengths to get it.
They're waiting for you, Gordon. In the test chamber.
Right. Come on then, I'll walk you down.
Eli has been busy making last-minute preparations for the new experiment.
Greetings, Eli.
Morning, Izzy.
I trust this morning finds you well.
Gordon, good morning. I'm glad you're here. These last-minute changes, they're a bit strange to just... Oh! It's about to go critical.
What in the blazes is going on with our equipment?
It was never meant to do this in the first place.
It's nothing we can't handle ourselves, Eli. Run along, Gordon. We'll be but a moment. Go on, Gordon. We'll take it from here. Don't fret, Freeman. This little malfunction won't stand in the way.
By Becquerel's ghost! The radiation level is off the charts. This is going to have to wait, Gordon. You know, the If this is anything less than a full-scale code red calamity, I'm not interested. Go bother someone else, Gordon.
You do very meaningful work here.
Not now, Gordon. Stand and stare at the screen. Walk back over there, push another button. Again.
Come now, you're overreacting.
I don't know how much longer I can abide these perfunctory tasks. I need more time for myself.
Ha! Don't kid yourself. You wouldn't know what to do with free time if you even had any.
That tears it. I'm going to check with the office upstairs and see how many vacation days I've accrued over the past 25 years. Hold on for one moment.
Oh, there you are. Everybody's been looking for you, hombre.
Here he is.
I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard analysis procedure today, Gordon.
Yes, but with good reason. This is a rare opportunity for us. This is the purest sample we've seen yet.
And potentially the most unstable.
Now, as long as we follow standard insertion procedures, everything will be fine.
I don't know how you can say that. Although I will admit that the possibility of a resonance cascade scenario is extremely unlikely. I just don't feel...
Gordon doesn't need to hear all this. He's a highly trained professional. We've assured the administrator that nothing will go wrong.
Yes, you're right. Gordon, we have complete confidence in you.
Well, go ahead. Let's let him in now.